It's actually a miracle. After 5 calls, 2 in-person visits, and 2 Facebook messages, we got our shit rescheduled. So now we're gonna go get coffee and breakfast, and we are gonna go have our day.
Yo.
You're a chunk-a-monk.
No, I'm a beautiful. You know what's crazy is that I feel like I see like no tourists. Like,
No birds.
Tourists.
Oh, tourists.
Like none.
Okay guys, so you probably have seen that we're in the Philippines because yesterday I filmed a vlog and I finished editing it and put it out today. Still going to Bali. We should be to Bali this Saturday or this Sunday. We'll be there. We were able to move our Airbnb there too. They were really nice. Yesterday we got to go get massages and go to the mall and all that stuff. And so today we're gonna go check out another mall and kind of go to a new food place and go to the park. Probably go to the doctor because I've been having this like weird thing with my throat that's freaking me out. And then whatever else we have time for, maybe get another massage but at a different place. So yeah, stay tuned.
What'd you get?
A cappuccino?
What kind of cappuccino?
Just cappuccinos.
Fire. Best cappuccino I've ever had.
Okay, so this man is dragging me around Makati, but it's cool. We're like walking and stuff, but I've already gotten bitten by 3 mosquitoes, so I'm gonna go get bug spray. Ronnie's afraid of cancer and I'm afraid of malaria, so I guess he'll die of malaria and I'll die of cancer. It's good. It's a good deal.
The population is anywhere from 14 to 20 million. I can't figure it out. It's different, a different website, but no one can figure it out. Don't worry. We'll be at that for a while. Regardless, it's the 4th largest city in the world, so there are so many people out every single hour of the day. And
Man,
probably will cross.
Thank you.
Ooh, look at that one. That one's like a lowrider.
Low ride. Look at the buildings are so tall. It seems like they go into the clouds.
Give us an update. Meanwhile, in America, Ray J has changed his name to Tron. They do have
The Jollibees. I need to go in that Sev.
You gotta get. You have to go in Jollibee?
I need to go in Sev.
No, but look. Spaghetti, McDonald's style.
Mushroom pepper steak.
Cheeseburger McDo.
Coke McFloat.
Coke McFloat sounds fire. BBO. Condominium Corporation. Embassy of the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela.
You would never think the Philippines looked like this, you know?
I had no idea. I had no idea. I have never pulled Manila up on Google Maps.
Me either, but we've talked about coming to the Philippines, you know?
Yeah, I was thinking more tropical, but like
Me too.
the city.
You do.
There's a lot of McDonald's promotion down here. They really spending money on ads.
We're not walking the same direction.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Baby, we came from over here. We're walking like this. We said, oh, let's go underground. We came this way. Now we're on this side of the street going this way. What are you doing? This is like a popular place in here, like their version of like a Denny's, but it looks good.
No, not really.
No? Okay.
Sugarcane. It's probably too late for me. I probably already have a. Good morning.
Morning.
Do a lot of people wear this here? Yes. Like every day or what? Oh, thank you. Because I've been here for like 2 days and I have mosquito bites everywhere.
Yeah.
Where's like a big place to eat? Like a lot of places.
It's still closer. It's at the mall.
Oh, keep going straight.
She said people wear this every day.
Yeah, we'll show her what it is called.
So it's mosquito repellent spray,
Try to get it on
natural,
the,
tiger balm.
There we go, right there.
So, wow.
The roots.
I know, that's crazy.
Whoa, what is that? What is that, a lemur?
Where?
It's a cat.
Move. Oh, it's a cat.
I thought it was a lemur.
Jeez. So this place opens at 6 a.m. It is called Make It, oh no, Make It Happen, Make It Makati. No, it's the Alaya Triangle Courtyard. So this is like in the middle of the city. So I'm gonna flip you guys around and like, look, wow. It's so hard to put like this beauty into words, you know?
Yeah, right.
I wanna eat something. Hi, kitty. Oh, hello. I don't know if anyone wants to see us just walking around, but the Philippines is so beautiful. I mean, I don't know who wouldn't want to see all this green stuff and have Ronnie's hilarious commentary. Oh, wow. Oh.
The wholesome table. It's crazy, full circle, huh?
Yeah.
Apple, cinnamon iced tea,
Yes.
and peach. What kind is this?
I don't know.
This is peach iced tea, and that's apple cinnamon iced tea.
Tea. Tastes like apple pie
Try mine.
in a drink. Well, is 16,
18. Does it include tax?
18,
Or include a
47
service charge? Oh, it is.
divided by 55. 33 bucks. 2 homemade teas, a seafood chowder, an appetizer, and 2 homemade famous Filipino breakfasts. And it came out to about $33 for both of us to eat.
In a high-end mall, though.
We're in a high-end mall. So one thing we've noticed about the Philippines so far is that there is not a lot of homeless people in the areas that we're in. Houston downtown, there's a lot. Also, we haven't seen anyone like on drugs, which is really different from America in the main part of the city, right? You see like a lot of homeless people or people on drugs. And so, yeah, it's pretty interesting. Paper tomato dip. This is, I don't remember what this one is. It is a Filipino sausage with sunny side up eggs. That's the beef tapas, and then that's the chowder. I'm really excited to eat, so we'll see you guys later. I'm really full.
It was like a 7 out of 10.
Yeah, so 7 out of 10.
The tea was really good.
The tea was a what? A 9? An 8?
The tea was a 10.
Oh, her dress is cute.
The tea was a 10. This is Virgil's brand. Virgil's brand. Peace. I'll see you. It's pretty sick. The first. That's pretty sick because they filmed it like literally right in front of this tower, you know? This guy's coming.
Let's cross while we can. Come on, babe.
There you go. You can get him coming in right here.
Right here, we're walking to the Makati
Where we at,
Medical
baby?
Center, and it was a really phenomenal place. Super clean, super fast, and super affordable. We're from America, so they're waiting to see a specialist. You could be waiting from anywhere from a month to 3 months, and it's going to be really pricey, anywhere from $200 to $1,000 with insurance. And getting labs done is just ridiculous price there, especially if you don't have health insurance. So here, we actually ended up getting out of here for 54 US dollars or 2,000 pesos. So it was really great. Such a baby. That's beautiful. Milano residencies. Next, we decided it was time to get another massage, so we came to this massage place, and if you look really closely, you can see the prices. A manicure and pedicure was 250 pesos, which averages to about $4.50 USD, which is crazy. This massage was so amazing. They stretched us, they rubbed our backs, and it was just really great. We just got our spines elbowed. Phenomenal. sir.
No, we're not here. We gotta get it grabbed.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, you got more mobility in your man shoulders.
Almost like when you go in like the sauna and you stretch for a long time after like a long workout, you know? Like the sauna steam room.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god. Yes.
So I did not record this because I'm a bad YouTuber, but we had gone there before the massage, and it is the medical center. I'll do a little breakdown of that as soon as we get home, but long story short, my nose and throat my throat has been messing up weird. Like my tongue was twitching up. I could feel like throbbing in my throat, and I wasn't sure if I was dying or what was going on.
Thank you.
If you want to put the sauce, careful because it's the problem.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.